Welcome to OKC Zoo at 2. I'm Rebecca Snyder, the Director of Conservation and Science here at the Oklahoma City Zoo. We're here at the zoo's butterfly garden, which is one of the largest habitats for pollinators in the state of Oklahoma. The zoo's butterfly garden includes a wide variety of native flowering plants which provide nectar for butterflies and bees, and host plants which are important for the caterpillars of many of our native butterfly species in Oklahoma. So how does our garden grow? You guessed it, with poo! Specifically zoo poo, made from herbivore waste, produced by the animals here at the Oklahoma City Zoo. This nutrient-rich soil mixture comes from the byproduct of some of our favorite herbivores. As you can imagine, the zoo's 7 Asian elephants are big contributors. Other contributors include rhinos, hoofed animals, swine, and red pandas. Our zoo poo is produced through a partnership with Monarch Materials. They're a local company that collects the raw material that we collect here at the zoo, takes it to their processing center, keeps it for about 6 to 9 months until it turns into rich organic compost, and then brings it back here to the zoo for us to use on our gardens to help our plants grow, and also to package and sell. Compost piles are formed when aerobic organisms begin to break down the chemical compounds generating organic matter, carbon dioxide, and heat. A pile of zoo poo can take anywhere from 6 to 9 months to process. We use zoo poo to enrich the soil here at the zoo to grow a variety of native and exotic plants. It really does help our gardens to flourish. And supporters of the zoo can use it in their own gardens. You can purchase zoo poo here at the zoo in our guest services office. When using compost in your own garden, mix 1 part compost to 3 parts soil for seeds. Or for seedlings, mix 1 part compost to 2 parts soil. For established plants and gardens, sprinkle a layer of compost over the surface of the soil. Oklahoma provides critical habitat for many native pollinators, including the iconic Monarch Butterfly. This butterfly migrates through Oklahoma in the spring, usually in March or April, and again in the fall, usually in September or October. Because this is such an important part of the monarch's migration flyway, it's very important that we provide native nectar plants for the adult butterflies to feed on, as well as milkweed, which is the only host plant that monarch butterflies will lay their eggs on and that their caterpillars will feed on. When planting your own garden, remember to plant for pollinators. Only purchase plants from nurseries that do not use systemic insecticides or any other pesticides on their plants. Native plants benefit many of the pollinators in your own backyard. Thank you for watching OKC Zoo at 2, keeping you connected during our temporary closure.